In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a progress bar in Notion. If you've ever wanted a quick visual cue to see how far along a task or project is, a progress bar in a Notion database is a simple and effective way to do it. We'll keep this straightforward, and by the end, you'll have a clean bar that fills up as your numbers increase. Start on your Notion database page and add a new column. This will be your progress bar column. Give it a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. The key requirement is that this column must be a number-related property, such as a number or a formula. If you pick number, you'll type values directly for each row. If you choose formula, just make sure the formula ultimately outputs a number, because the bar can only visualize numeric results. Next, click the header of the new column and select Edit Property. In the Property settings, look for the option labeled Show As and choose Bar. This instantly switches the display from plain numbers to a horizontal progress bar. While you're here, customize the bar color to make it stand out. You'll also see a divide by field. Think of this as your total or maximum. Notion will take whatever number you enter in each row and divide it by this total to calculate how full the bar should be. Choose a divide by number that matches what you're tracking. For example, if you measure progress out of a certain total, like milestones, hours, or points, set that total here. Pick a value you'll use consistently so your bars are accurate and easy to read across the entire database. Now, when you enter a number in that column for any row, Notion will divide it by the total you set and convert it into a progress bar. As the number grows, the bar fills. If you're using a formula property, the bar will update automatically whenever the underlying values change. Keep your numbers within the expected range so the fill makes sense at a glance. You can reopen Edit Property anytime to change the color, adjust the total, or temporarily switch back to a plain number if you need to check precise values. None of this affects your existing data. It only changes how it's displayed. That's all there is to it. Add the column, set it to a number-related type, edit the property to show as a bar, choose a color, set the total, and start entering values. You now have a clean, visual progress bar in Notion that makes tracking work faster and more intuitive.